Teka lang. I-upload natin yan, i-upload natin sa YouTube. Oy, pure sarado mata, gago.
Tanga, first time sa YouTube yun.
Makita, hindi ako sa YouTube.
Kahit naman ako eh, kaya ako nakakanood ng kung ano-ano dun eh. Uy, nakikita sa ano, sa video yung pag-aaway nyo.
Okay lang. Ba't parang malabo ko ng awayan?
Ano yung hidden ko?
Meron kang hidden camera.
Nag-coding na para matapos na itong...
Sikat na nga.
Wait lang, nakakumpa ko. Wait lang. Ako din eh. Day 1, 2, 3, go.
Tikit nyo lang mata nyo. Born again ako, pasensya ko lang.
Yes?
Sorry.
Ano ba naman yan? Ano ba? Akala ko ba? Paano ko malalaman?
Hindi, basta sasabihin ko naman pag may Putik na nga huwag kayo sumawa. Hindi na seryoso.
Tang ina nyo, pag inano kayong tumuyende dyan, tawa-tawa.
Hindi kayo dumilat ha. Baka may nakadilat ha.
Ako?
Huwag kayong didilat. Huwag kayong didilat. Hindi dilat. Kayo makulit ha.
O, nakapikit din ako, huwag ka mag-alala. Sorry po, sorry po. Hot.
Tao mo na ako.
Wala! Nakapatay ang ilaw!
Oh, tayo lang yan!
Wala! Hindi ako nakadilat! Hindi ako nakadilat!
Huwag kayong mainit pa masyado.
Nakapatay ang ilaw ng dampo! Ano yan? Yung ano! Sisino ko dito!
Basta huwag mo na. Huwag mo na galit.
Iyak ako! Bahala ka rin dyan! Sige lang! Nakapatay!
Wala! Didn't expect this how things would go. Maybe in time you change your mind. Now looking back, I wish I could rewind. Because I can sit next to me, but I can't live without you no more. Oh, I stay up and you next to me, feel me down, feels like it's before. Just like a stormy, come on, fall in love, 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 love. You should trust. Kasama ka naman sa video. Ano? Doon ka na. Kasama rin ako sa video. Ay, putang ina ko!
Ay, bakit ba? Uy, may lagot sa mga
Oo nga, yan! Yung ano kay Kelly Clarkson, my life would suck without you. Yan!
Rock'n'roll pare! Rock'n'roll!
Guess this means your story. Standing at my door. Guess this means you take back all you said before. Like how much you wanted anyone but me. You said you never come back, but here you are again. 'Cause we belong together. Wherever you yeah, you gotta feel the way. telling you goodbye. Maybe I was wrong for trying to pick a fight. I got it.
Birthday ni Kaya Ryan.
Little messed up blue. Either way I found. Putangin ang rips yan. That's the way that you. Nagpipicture oh. Video gamit ko eh. Somehow, yeah. Mamaya, Che, paikotin mo naman. Damot mo. I really shouldn't miss you, but I can let you go, yeah. Go! Go tayo, Ronnie, sa commercial. Pasok, Ronnie. Tama ka tayo sa kilala sa YouTube. Akala ni JR Katol. Tangin na sino, Imo?
Ay, ikaw na lumaki ka ba?
Lahat ng kita rips, Imo!
Yung katabi niya, oh. May sabat yun na. O ba?
Kung nalaki na rips ko!
Imo bang? Imo bang? Ikaw? Wala ka mga ito.
Skater.
Ikaw?
I remember the times we spent together on down track. We had a million questions all about our life. And when we got to New York, everything felt right. I wish you were here with me tonight, Evo! I remember the days we spent together, enough, and used to feel like dreaming, except we always woke up. Never thought that having you here now would hurt so much. Tonight I'm falling and I can't get up. I need your loving hands to come and pick me up. And every night I miss you, I can just look up. Nagpapaypay akong isip.
Ano ba yan?
Pinap sa akin yan. KCR yan. Botang ina mo to!